In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can set a password on your Windows 11 computer if you haven't already done so. It will be a straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you need to do is open up the search magnifying glass and type in settings. Now click on the best match for settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now select the accounts option on the left hand side, and then where it says sign in options on the right, go ahead and left click on that. Select password, sign in with your account's password, and then select add. At this point, go ahead and insert your new password, and then a password hint. Once you are done, click on next and then finish, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process. There you go guys, hope I was able to help you set a password on your Windows 11 PC. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.